Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a product category on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. Right in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and here you're going to find the option to create a new site. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to Edit Site. So right now, go ahead and click on Edit Site, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So basically, this is going to be the editor for Wix. So just wait for this page to load. Once loaded, this is how it will look like. So right now, go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, go to Add Element, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find, so right here, as you can see guys, you can add a gallery, you can add menus and anchor, and you can also add text, images, buttons, and so on. So right now, if you go to the pages and menu um, section, here you're going to find the site menu, sign up login, store pages, and so on. So go to store pages, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your product page, category page, cart page, and also the thank you page. Go ahead and click on category page. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, once you're here in the category page, you can edit it as you want right here. You can click on quick edit to change the background and so on. And if you want to change the products in this category, just click on manage products, and then you're going to be here in this page. So once you're here in the products page, as you can see guys, you can remove or add the products that you want. And once you finish, they will be added here in your category. Once you finish adding your category, don't forget to save your changes, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.